to 95. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows 56 to 66. Monday, sunny. Highs 86 to 96. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows 57 to 67. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs 87 to 97. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows 57 to 67. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs 87 to 97. Wednesday night, clear. Lows 58 to 68. Thursday, sunny. Highs 86 to 96.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to Channel 3 for more information.
Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of California Highway Patrol. Child abduction emergency for California. A child abduction occurred on June 14th at 11 a.m. in Santa Rosa, California and Sonoma County. The name of the first child is Elena Rojo, 7-year-old Hispanic female. The name of the second child is Mariah Rojo, 6-year-old Hispanic female. The name of the third child is Sophia Rojo, 3-year-old female. The suspect is Jose Albert Rojo Vajargas, a 25-year-old Hispanic male. The suspect is possibly driving a 2005 black Chevrolet Tahoe with California license plate number 60XA253. To report possible sightings, call 911.